So close to our house there is a place where I buy my cement and sand. The sand is not from the beach, so I show you around so you can understand where I buy it and what they have and why they have this kind of sand, so you don't have to worry what sand you take. This is the dark one, and then there is also the white one, it's behind here, and this is the white one, okay? They have also latex, but I can't see it here, I have to ask it. It's a small place actually. Maybe they're behind, I don't know. Somewhere. No, I can't see it here, doesn't matter. But they have also stones, not a lot, but sometimes when I need some. Like here they have some green ones, or there are also some. And the sand, I take it from here. You see they have only white. This is a thin sand, and this, when you build houses they use those stones, okay? Or even on the floor they have also smaller one here. Well, it's very convenient for me because it's not far from our house. So I come many times here and buy the cement if I need only cement and sand. Now, just so you know, we have here more white sand. If it's brown, doesn't matter, it works, okay? Every country has a different one, so don't be worried, it works. You ask, the best thing is asking, like I do always. I always ask, and then you are 100% sure it works, okay? So here I buy my stones. You can see this is red. All kind of stones. Those are the small ones. Yeah, I buy them where they sell here industrial things here. They have many things and it's so interesting. I get so much inspired. They have materials here that I want to try out. Okay, I came here just to show you because I need some stones. You can see here too. They have really many. Okay, let's go just quick on the other side. So you see here, there's really all kind of stones. And those ones are very interesting. You can separate the colors because they are red here, white, gray, and some blacks. So yeah. I love those places. It's amazing. Can stay here the whole day looking for materials. Okay. Quelle bianche rosse? Sì. Ne, te lo petres. Ένα λεπτό να δω κάτι. Πρώτα γύρω γύρω γιατί